Hello, friends. Hope you're all doing fine. In life, there are so many laws which we come across, but there are few laws which are very important to progress in our life. There are four laws of growth. The first one is speak less. The more you take actions, the more you do action oriented activities, people will realize your importance more. You need to talk less, but show it in your actions all the time. You can always give a lot of visibility about yourself through your actions, but by talking less. There are so many people who talk more, but they don't show anything in actions, and people don't pay attention to them. So it is always good that speak less and show more of your purpose with your actions. Second law is listen more. It is so important to listen to the other person and understand what the other person is saying. You need to listen with purpose and intention. You see any child, how much curious a child is to listen and understand what he wants to do or achieve. So it is for us also to ensure that if we have to progress, if we have to learn more, you need to understand more and you need to listen more. The third point is react less. The more you react, the more you will be frustrated and will end up into problems. So you should always have control over your emotions. Emotions control you, and there'll be a lot of issues which will keep coming up because of wrong decision making and because of the frustration which you have because of overreaction. So you always ensure that you have a calm mind whenever you take any decision and ensure that you take the correct decisions at the right time. The fourth and important thing is observe more. It is so important that whatever is happening in and around you, you need to observe a lot of things. There are a lot of things which you can learn and see and develop by seeing proper things which are happening around you. There are so many people who are good, but we need to understand what to pick up from them and what not to pick up from them. There are so many other people also who are doing wrong things, but people try to uh, catch uh, catch with them and then they go against the wind. So that is not what we are supposed to do. We should follow the right people, right path, and take massive actions. All these videos are basically to give you a insight about your mindset, which is my mission. Basically, I'm trying to transform all the people who are having a problem with their mindset and making them into get into a better life. If anyone after watching these videos would like to contact me or look for any uh, inspiration or a solution for their problems, they can always give me a call, or they can always watch me on YouTube and message me if they have any issues or problems.